Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 7th, 2024, and we're diving into Endeavor's third quarter earnings report. Endeavor, a global sports and entertainment powerhouse, has just released its financial results for the quarter ending September 30th, 2024. Joining us today is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to be here to discuss Endeavor's latest financial performance and strategic moves.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Endeavor reported a net revenue of $2.32 billion for Q3 2024. However, the company also posted a net loss of $420.4 million. John, can you break down these numbers for us?
Absolutely. The revenue of $2.32 billion represents a significant increase, driven by strong performances in their own sports properties and representation segments. However, the net loss of $420.4 million is primarily due to high operating expenses and interest costs. Despite this, the company achieved an adjusted EBITDA of $277.6 million, indicating solid operational performance with a gross margin of 13.7%.
That's interesting. So while the net loss is concerning, the operational efficiency seems to be improving.
Exactly. The adjusted EBITDA margin, although lower than last year, still reflects Endeavor's ability to generate cash flow from its core operations, which is crucial for its ongoing strategic initiatives.
Segment performance analysis. Let's delve into the segment performances. The owned sports properties segment saw a revenue of $735.2 million. What were the key drivers here?
The acquisition of WWE in September 2023 was a major contributor, adding $275 million to the segment's revenue. Additionally, growth in media rights and ticket sales for professional bull riders also bolstered this segment.
And how did the events, experiences, and rights segment perform?
This segment reported a revenue of $899.8 million, a substantial increase driven by the Paris 2024 Olympic and Paralympic Games, where Endeavor's On Location served as the exclusive hospitality provider.
What about the representation segment?
The representation segment saw a revenue increase to $429.2 million, primarily due to growth in WME's talent and music divisions, reflecting a strong recovery post the SAG-AFTRA strikes.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Endeavor has been active on the strategic front. Can you tell us about the Silver Lake acquisition and the TKO transaction?
Sure. Endeavor is set to be acquired by Silver Lake for $27.50 per share, a move expected to close by Q1 2025. Additionally, Endeavor has agreed to sell assets including PBR, On Location, and IMG to TKO Group Holdings in a $3.2 billion all-equity transaction.
And what about their partnership with the NFL?
Endeavor's On Location has extended its partnership with the NFL through 2036, securing its role as the official hospitality provider for all major NFL events, which is a significant long-term revenue stream.
With a cash position of $1.04 billion, how does Endeavor's liquidity look?
Their liquidity is strong, which should support ongoing operations and strategic initiatives despite the high debt levels.
Risks and challenges. John, what are some of the risks and challenges Endeavor faces?
Endeavor's net debt stands at $5.228 billion, which is quite high. The interest expense for the quarter was $108.1 million, impacting profitability. Additionally, the company reported a loss of $234 million from discontinued operations, which is a concern.
Are there any regulatory hurdles they need to overcome?
Yes, the Silver Lake acquisition and the TKO transaction are subject to regulatory approvals, which could pose potential delays or complications.
Key takeaways. To wrap up, Endeavor has shown strong revenue growth and is making aggressive strategic moves. However, high debt levels remain a challenge. John, how would you summarize Endeavor's investment prospects?
Endeavor is well positioned in the sports and entertainment industry with promising future prospects, especially with the strategic transactions underway. However, investors should be cautious of the high debt and regulatory risks.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Endeavor's performance in the comments below.